The malt syrup and chili dipping sauce is perfect to eat with deep fry and green dishes. Here are the ingredients for a bowl of dipping sauce. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. I use malt sugar to get a syrupy texture. The sugar is quite hard to get out of the pot. Soak it in hot water for 5 minutes. This will soften it. Wrap the quantity you need around a spoon. The sweetening powder of the malt sugar is 1/3 of that of the white sugar. Cut it with scissors. Put it in a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of boiling water. If necessary, put it in microwave for 20 seconds to make it more malleable. Mix until the sugar is diluted. Then add the fish sauce, the lemon juice, the chili paste. Mix. Crush a clove of garlic. Peel it, chop it. Add it to the sauce. Also add 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Mix. The sauce is ready. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.